If you're struggling on tapering the back, watch this video. To start, set your ball guideline right under the earlobe. The placement will depend on the height of the taper. With the clippers, use no guard lever open and go up about an inch. Close the lever halfway and go up halfway up that section. Now you're gonna close your lever and you're gonna knock down that line you just created. Take your time and be detailed. Next, grab your 1.5 guard lever open and go up about 1.5 inches. You really want to make sure you have even and consistent guidelines. Then grab your half guard lever open and go up about 1 inch. And here we're just going to start fading down. We're going to close the lever halfway, but I'm not going to be going as high as I was. Remember, the objective here is not to create another guideline. You're going to close your lever and attack that final line. If you do this correctly, it should start looking something like this. Make sure to break your taper into 3 sections every time you're fading. Now with my 1 open, I'm gonna go right below that 1.5 guard guideline that we created. And to connect the taper to the hair on the top, we're gonna use some thinning shears. I recommend every beginner barber to use this method. Making sure I line up my client tailored to his head shape. We're gonna give him the fieriest lineup in the city. Most new barbers sleep on the razor. Don't be him. Forget to razor your client. Apply shaving cream so you don't cut your customer. And lastly, you have to hit him with the details. Make sure you go back in there and do some mandatory point cutting. Make sure you use the corner of your clipper, and I make sure to measure everything to perfection. Got my boy Crispy, and he's walking with the crispiest fade in Los Angeles. Tap in and book now. Spots are limited, and comment what type of video you want to see next.